Chapter 12, Seer. So this is the biography of each band member. Liesl Kritzinger, vocals. Ouderdom, age, 16. Stokperdjies, musieklees, hockey, atletiek, perdry. Hobbies, music, reading, hockey, athletics, and horse riding. 5 woorde wat jou beskryf. 'n Mens kan nie jouself in 5 woorde beskryf nie. Jy sal buitendien jok as jy jouself in 5 woorde moet beskryf. A person can't describe yourself in 5 words. You'll be lying if you do that. Kosbaarste besitting. My ou lapkat Pandora. Ek het dit al van my geboorte af. Dis eintlik Garfield, maar om die een of ander rede het ek besluit die kat se naam is Pandora. Ek kan nie onthou hoekom nie. Weird. Her old teddy bear called Pandora, that she's had from birth, but it's like a cloth teddy. It's actually Garfield, but for one or other reason, she decided it's called Pandora now, and she doesn't know why, and she knows it's weird. Jou diepste, donkerste geheim. Her deepest, darkest secret. I'll tell you, but then I'll have to kill you. Voltooi, complete the sentence. Suurlemoene is lemoene met attitude. Lemons are lemons with attitude. Page 44. Zane Leroux, bass guitar. Zane Leroux plays bass guitar. Ouderdom, age 16 and a half. Stokperdjies. 'n Stokperdjie is goed soos seels versamel. Ja, right. Ek hou van fliek, gitaarspeel en meisies. Are hobbies things like collecting stamps? No, I like watching movies, playing guitar, and girls, and not in that order. 5 woorde wat jou beskryf. 5 words that describe you. Romanties, snaaks, blonde, six-pack, single. So snaaks obviously means funny. Kosbaarste besitting. My hair gel. His most prized possession is his hair gel. That's what Tiaan said. That's what Tiaan says. Hy's simple. He's stupid. My hair gel is definitely my gunsteling besitting nie. My Levi jeans is. Obviously, it's not true that his hair gel is his most favorite possession. That's what Tiaan says. And his favorite possession is actually his Levi jeans. Jou diepste, donkerste geheim. So he wrote it down, but it's scratched out in the book. Voltooi. Suurlemoene is flippin' suur, are very sour. Kyk foto hierbo. Look at my photo above. You can see it's very sour. En suurlemoen is a great name for a band. It's a great name for a band. Tiaan het dit uitgedink en ek het eers gedink dit is boring. Tiaan thought of it and at first I thought it's boring, maar nou dink ek dit is cool. But now I think it's cool. Sorry Tiaan. Tiaan Fourie, ouderdom 16. Stokperdjies, versamel comics. Fliek, speel rekenaars games, luister musiek en neem foto's. So he's 16, he collects comic books, he watches movies, he plays PC games, he listens to music and takes photos. 5 woorde wat jou beskryf. 5 words that describe you. Bruin hare en groen oë. Brown hair and green eyes. Kosbaarste besitting. His favorite possession or his most prized possession. 'n getekende CD van Rem. A signed CD from Rem. Ek het 2 uur lank in 'n ry gestaan sodat hulle dit kon teken toe hulle in Suid-Afrika was. He stood in a line for 2 hours when they came to South Africa so that they could sign the CD. Michael Stipp het my naam verkeerd gespel. Dit lyk soos Taiwan. So one of the band members from Rem signed his name incorrectly, but he's okay with it. Jou diepste, donkerste geheim. Your deepest, darkest secret. Ek kan nie dans nie. Glad nie. Die meeste mense sê hulle kan nie dans nie, maar dan beteken dit hulle kan nie tango of hulle kan nie wals nie. Ek kan glad nie dans nie. Die laaste keer wat ek probeer het was op 'n troue. Die bruid het aan die lag gegaan en pons op haar rok gemors. So he can't dance like at all. And not like just basic dance. Like when people say they can't dance, they usually mean tango, but he can't dance at all. You can't even sokkie. The last time he tried to dance was at a wedding, and the bride was laughing at him so much that she messed some of her punch on her dress. Voltooi. Suurlemoene is vrugte waarmee jy elektrisiteit kan opwerk. Lemons are fruits that you can start electricity with or create electricity with. Genuine, like really. Ons het dit in graad 7 in natuurwetenskap klas gedoen. We did it in grade 7 in our NS class. Jy druk 2 muntstukke in die suurlemoen, verbind dit met draadjies aan 'n gloeilamp en dan maak dit lig. You put 2 coins into the lemon and then you connect it using wires and then you connect that to a lamp and then it makes light. As jy my nie glo nie, gaan kyk in die graad 7 NW boek. If you don't believe me, go look in the grade 7 NS book. Of dalk was dit graad 8. Or maybe it was grade 8. Bongi Kanare. Tromme. Drums. Ouderdom 15 en 3/4. 15 and 3/4. That's how old she is. Stokperdjies, musiek. Hobbies, music. 5 woorde wat jou beskryf. 5 words that describe you. Ek vat nie nonsens nie. I don't do nonsense. It's like she doesn't take nonsense. And obviously we can remember that with Frik when he was auditioning. Kosbaarste besitting, my tromstel. Dit was eers my broer se voor hy oorsee was. So her most prized possession is her drum kit, which belonged to her brother before he went overseas. Jou diepste, donkerste geheim. Your deepest, darkest secret. Ek het een van Britney Spears se CD's, haar best of album. Dis nie my skuld nie, ek het dit in 'n kompetisie gewen. Ek het eintlik ingeskryf om myself om te wen. So her deepest, darkest secret is that she has a CD of Britney Spears, the best of Britney Spears album. And it's not her fault. She won it in a competition which she initially signed in for to win this album. Voltooi. Suurlemoene is die hoofbestanddeel in lemonade, suurlemoensap, die suurlemoendieet, suurlemoentert, suurlemoentee en sommige air fresheners. So it is the main, so sour lemons are, and then she needs to complete the sentence, the main ingredient in lemonade, lemonade juice or lemon juice, the lemon diet, lemon meringue, lemon iced tea and some air fresheners. In 'n noodgeval kan jy dit gebruik vir cricketballe, as jy nie genoeg het nie. You can use it if you urgently need a cricket ball, if you don't have enough. Vir selfverdediging, suurlemoensap is die aanvaller se oë, so you can use it for protection. You can spray it into the eyes of someone who's attacking you. Om jou tande en jou hare te blyk, to bleach your hair and your teeth. Ek het dit iewers gelees. She read it somewhere. En as 'n naam vir 'n band. And for a name for a band.